We know where to start. We're going to get this quadratic equation into standard form. So let's do so by subtracting 1, adding 4x. So we'll write it as 9x squared plus 4x minus 1 equals 0. And it's in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c is 0. And let's identify a, b, and c. So in this case, a, coefficient of the squared term, is 9, so we've got a 9 here. B, that's the coefficient of the linear term, that's a 4. And c, that's the constant, that's a negative 1. So let's put those into the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b, or the opposite of b, plus or minus the square root, b squared, minus 4ac, all over 2a. Let's substitute our values in, so we'll get negative b. Now b for us is 4. Right, so we're going to get negative 4 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so that's going to be 4 squared, minus 4 times a is a 9, c is negative 1, all over 2a, a is 9. A bit of arithmetic here, we'll get x equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of that 4 squared is 16, and then what? Negative is positive. 4 times 9 is 36 over 18. Let's see, x is negative 4 plus or minus the square root of, what do we get here, 52? All over 18, and that 52, I know I can break that down because I know 4 divides into 52, and I'm choosing 4 because I know the square root of 4. Now maybe there's a bigger number that divides into 52, a bigger square, but I don't think so. So let's go with the 4. So we're going to get x equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 times, all right, 4 into 52 is a 13, all over 18. So we'll get x is negative 4 plus or minus square root of 4, square root of 13 over 18. X equals negative 4 plus or minus 2 square roots of 13 over 18. Now both these terms in the numerator have a 2 in common, so I'm going to take that out. I'm going to write x equals 2, and then what's left? Negative 2 plus or minus, now there was a 2 there, but I'm removing that, so I'll get a 13 over 18. And this 2 will go into 18 9 times, so I'm going to write this like this. X is negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 13 all over 9.